Sofitel Hotel, the landmark hotel in Pasay, officially shut down yesterday after 46 years. The hotel bid farewell and thanked their guests for staying and creating memories with them. Guests also flocked to the famous Spiral Buffet restaurant to taste their food for the last time. Sofitel's manager, Accor, announced the hotel's permanent closure in May due to safety concerns. But despite the closure, Accor is still facing issues from their former employees. The National Union of Workers in Hotel, Restaurant, and Allied Industries called out Accor for the alleged unjust termination of Sofitel's employees due to the closure. Kasi yung grupo na yan are saying, ginamit nyo lang safety concern para makawala kayo sa responsibility nyo of retiring employees.
Everybody, oo.
Kasi di ba parang
there are
emergency termination ang dito instead of i-retire mo na lang
may mga usap-usapan na meron daw another hotel will soon rise in that very same spot. And then they're open to, hire people from Sofitel's line of employees. Pero parang parang kumbaga mag-apply ulit sila. Wala nang tenure doon.
Tenure is not counted anymore.
Yes,
so yung years of service mo hindi nila binibilang. Kawawa naman sila kasi kung may pa-retire na sana tapos na-cut short yung retirement tapos mag-a-apply ka ulit medyo may edad ka na, 'di ba? Sayang yung continuation of your employment service na hahaba sana yung benefits na makukuha mo. Hindi mo na makukuha. Ang Sofitel first started out before, abutan ko yan Philippine Plaza. Philippine Plaza Hotel, naalala ko yan.
If I'm not mistaken, dyan nagkita yung mommy ko tsaka daddy ko, nag-meet.
Philippine Plaza. Doon ang mga...
Hindi, Manila Pen pala. Mali ako.
Nung high school ako, doon ang mga ginagawa ang mga prom.
Doon na talaga...
Yung prom ng school namin doon ginawa.
Kaya nga, ang dami
Philippine
talagang
Plaza
nalungkot and they tried, diba, to go there, mag-book para nga kahit papano ma-experience pa rin nila yung last hora sa Sofitel. I love their cheese room.
When I tried booking also, pero syempre titignan ko kasi yung prices tumataas kasi yung demand tumataas. Makikita mo, yung mga tao parang nagagalit, parang dahil kung pasara na, yung quality daw bumababa because tumadami yung tao. Pero yung Spirals kasi, di ba, 44 to 46 years in service sila. Have one of the biggest selections. Diba? So, yung cheese room, bread room, wine room. They have Japanese all the way to Italian, to Filipino, Indian.
Saka sikat sila dun sa Sunset View. Pero recently hindi na di ba? Kasi meron ng may structure na nako-cover yung Sunset View na yun.
Tsaka reclaimed area yung...
Yes. Yun ang nila, yun ang pinaka-reason nila.
Pero reclaimed... Totoo naman, reclaimed area yon. Pero kung yan ang ginagamit nilang dahilan, hindi man ako engineer or safety expert. Hindi ko alam.
Yung kasama natin, si Jovi Francisco was able to...
Ay, Jovi, Nag-spiral si Jovi for the last time.
Last hora niya for
Ang last hora namin.
Ang dami kasing ang daming nalungkot talaga.
Yung last spirals natin, I think, was 2013.
Tagal pa?
2013,
Grabe naman.
2012. Yung kumain,
Oo.
bakit?
Tagal naman nun.